Welcome students. Today's topic is coordinate bond. So far we have learnt that a covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of equal number of electrons. However, in some special cases of covalent bond we have seen that the shared pair of electron is contributed by only one of the combining atom. Such type of covalent bond is called coordinate bond. Sometimes it is also called as coordinate covalent bond, and also it is known as a dative bond, and it is represented by arrow. It is represented by an arrow. Now see here, I am explaining it here. Suppose we have taken here A and B. I am explaining you here how this coordinate bond is formed, and this will give you a molecule or a compound with A, B. Now how this is formed? Now see here, A is a donor atom. It is a donor atom and it is acceptor. Already I have told you that the shared pair is contributed by only one of the atom. So this is donor. Now what is the condition? Donor should have its complete octet. Its octet should be complete. And here it should have 2 electrons short. This is acceptor and it should have 2 electrons short. For octet or short of 2 electrons. Now I am doing it here. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is having 8 electron. Its octet is complete. Now which will be B? B will be having 2 electrons short. It will be having shortage of 2 electrons. Now it must have 6. Now 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now what will happen? See, there will be a bond between these two. Now what will happen? This complete one will be given here. So this will be here, one bond will be formed. This is called your coordinate bond. How this figure will be here? See here, A, this 8 electrons I am showing, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. B, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This will be this pair is your shared pair. Shared pair of electron is only by A. A is your donor, so donor must have its complete octet, and B is here acceptor, so B should have shortage of 2 electrons to acquire octet. So the bond will be formed between A and B. Because this A is a donor, so arrow will be shown towards B. So this bond is your coordinate bond. Now let us have one example here. Example we are taking is H3O plus. Now see what example here. This is an ion, hydronium ion. First of all, we will draw water molecule. Water is hydronium ion when H2O plus H. This gives you H3O plus. This is your hydronium ion. Now see how this bond is formed. First we will draw water molecule. Water molecule H, one electronic configuration because its atomic number is 1. Similarly here one electronic configuration, and here O 8. This becomes your 2 and 6. So how water will be made? Oxygen is your central atom, 6 is valence electron, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this one and this another one. This is here, this becomes CO2, this becomes CO2. So there is one bond. How this bond is formed? O, H and H. See, now this 2 is our lone pair. This lone pair, and this is our lone pair. So here this LP means lone pair. Lone pair is that pair of electrons which do not participate in sharing or formation of a molecule. So this is a lone pair. See, these two pairs are not participating in this bond formation. So this is a lone pair. Now see, this is water molecule. Now what happens? Because due to this lone pair, there is repulsion. Your water molecules becomes like this. Okay. Now when this reacts with, now suppose if water molecule is reacted with any acid, so it will, this is H plus and Cl minus. Now see here, this H plus will go and attack on this oxygen. Why? Because comparing to this, if we are comparing electronegativity of hydrogen and oxygen, oxygen is highly electronegative, so it will be having some partially negative charge and this will be having some partially positive charge. And if this H plus will go on this, so how this will form? Now see here, oxygen, H and H. There was one lone pair here. This lone pair will be given to this H. So there will be bond formation between this O partially negative charge and H plus. So this will be completely donated to this H plus, and so this will become our hydronium ion. See structure of here, oxygen, 2 covalent bond, and when this pair is completely shifted to H. So this is our hydronium ion or coordinate bond. One more example I am explaining you here. This is our NH4 plus ammonium, same like this, N, H and H. It is having one lone pair, so it will attack on H plus. How this will form? N, is our ammonium ion. One lone pair, this lone pair is totally shifted to this. So this is your coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is a type of a covalent bond in which the completely shared pair of electron is donated from one atom to the other atom. So this is your coordinate bond. Thanks for watching this video.